Did you know stones can form not only in kidneys or gallbladders, but also in the pancreas? Let's see how pancreatic stones develop step by step. The pancreas produces digestive juices that flow smoothly through tiny ducts into the small intestine to help digest food. But due to chronic inflammation, alcohol use, smoking, or genetic problems, this pancreatic juice can become thick and sticky. When the fluid thickens, proteins start clumping together, forming small plugs that block the pancreatic ducts. Over time, calcium deposits build up on these plugs, slowly hardening them into stones. These stones grow larger, blocking the ducts and increasing pressure inside the pancreas, causing pain and damage. When ducts are blocked, digestive enzymes can start damaging the pancreas itself, leading to chronic pancreatitis and serious health problems. Common symptoms include severe abdominal pain, nausea, poor digestion, weight loss, and sometimes diabetes. So, pancreatic stones form when thick pancreatic juice creates protein plugs, calcium builds up, and hard stones block the ducts. Keeping a healthy lifestyle can help protect your pancreas.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more. Thanks!